Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm here to do just a little small Coach haul. There's a couple of items that I purchased actually a while ago, and one item I did just get today, and I'll let y'all know about that in a minute. But anyway, this probably gonna be my last handbag video for a while, because as y'all can see, I've done quite a bit of unboxing or whatever, and like I said, I wasn't going to be buying too many more handbags, and this is the last bag that I wanted. So I got it. So let me show you guys what all I have. Like I said, I got this bag right here off of the Coach outlet site, and I do have this bag already in the quilted leather. I don't even know where I put that bag at, but in the quilted leather, and they were having like a little small sale, and I just got this I just purchased this bag. So here it is, you guys. And y'all have been wanting this bag for a little minute, but I just kept looking at videos or whatever, and I was like, let me see if I can get this bag. So I just tried to hold out because they had a little sale. But anyway, y'all, so y'all, here is the bag. It is another Coach Jess bag. Let me cut this tag off a minute over there. It's another Jess crossbody, and this was is in the color block. I thought this bag was so cute because it has the different colors. I thought that was so cute, and I see a lot of people have this particular style or whatever. So you know, I had to go ahead and get me one, and it retails for $3.50, and I want to say it was on sale for like $175, and then they had like an extra 15% off, so I got it for like $140, and then I had bought a keychain to go with it also, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But ooh, let me hurry up for my time run out. But anyway, here is the bag. And these Jess bags are really, they are like really nice size bags. They hold a ton. And right now on the site, they have a new style. Well, I'm going to say a new style, but it's a new color block. They like a bunch of different bright colors. Y'all, so cute. But I'm not going to get it, but they are so cute. Really pretty colors. So here is the inside. Let me take that little security thing out of there. But just here's the inside of it. It holds a lot, and I'm going to show you guys like what kind of things you can items you can put in there. But let me show you all the other stuff I got real fast. So there is that, and we'll come back to that. Let me show you what else I got. Oh, this is the item I just got today. So here this is, and y'all, this right here, I've been wanting this too, but I had missed it when they first came out. And so y'all, here you go, the penny. This is the penny card case. Y'all, I had been wanting this when it first came out, but I was like, I don't need another card case or whatever. And then I'd be seeing everybody with it. I'm like, I'm just get this case. So I did end up getting it, and it is so cute, and it's actually a nice size too. So I'm glad I went ahead and was able to get it, because this right here kept selling out, in which I could have purchased it from like another reseller, but child, the prices they was asking, wasn't gonna be able to do it. So yeah, y'all, so I got this, finally was able to score the penny, and I got it for like $39. They had some kind of sale going on. And then here, and y'all know Coach always have a a sale. So, and this is my next item. Yeah, I know I love their bag charms. They have some of the nicest bag charms. Yeah. Boy, and they wrap them up just, child. So here's the bag charm that I got. The one with the C and the little flower. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's that. Super cute. I'm like, once again, I missed out on it the first time. So when I saw it was back available, I got that. And this was like $21. So I got me a thing. I love the little C. That is so cute. So I did purchase that. And then lastly, this is something that I had already had, but I ordered this like a couple of months back, but I didn't do a video on it because it was just this. It wasn't nothing special, but it was just another one of their notebooks, because I love their notebooks. So it was just this one right here, this notebook. And then they have came out with another one since I've got this one. It was like a one with like the stitching and stuff in there. I didn't like that one, so I didn't get that one. But I only get the ones that I like. But this one right here was so cute. And it does have the lined paper. So I love their notebooks. So anyway, y'all, let's get back to this bag. So since we have this bag charm, we're going to go ahead and add that to the side. So that'll go right there. And here are these straps. It does come with a black strap. So we can put that on there. Oh yeah, I didn't even see this little dangling tag right there. I didn't even see that. But here are the straps. I ain't gonna take that off right now. But it does come with a crossbody strap if you want to wear a crossbody. Also, if you don't want to use these straps, you can do, y'all, let me find it because I have stuff everywhere. You can do a strap that I had got from Amazon, like an all chain strap. So you can do an all chain strap if you want to, and you can also double it if you want it shorter. But just to be, you know, just to have a little different stuff. Let me scoop this up some. Just to have, you know, something different. So anyway, I'm going to take that off. So let me show you guys what all can fit in here real fast. So since I already have this, I will put this in here. I have this little small notebook. I'll sit that in there. I have some Dove deodorant. I will sit that there. I have some Bath and Body Works lotion. That can go in there. And I also have a Bath and Body Works body spray. And I'll sit that in there. Let's go to the back part. You can put, I have this Coach glass case. Let me see. That will fit in there, but it'll take a nice amount of room. But you can stick that in there. And then we have the Coach corn pouch. You can stick that in there also. And then if you have your keys, you can stick your keys in there. So that's one scenario of what can fit in there. And let me show you guys, it does zip up. It does zip. And then you have this back pocket right here, and you probably can stick your phone you can stick your phone in there. Now, if you don't want to carry, sorry about all the noise. If you don't want to carry that in there, you can have, here's a Michael Kors wallet, a full-size Michael Kors wallet. That fits in there, but it does take up a nice little space. I don't have any full-size Coach wallets, but I'm sure one of those will fit in also. Let me take some of this out. Uh-oh. So if you want to, let's see. I have the Coach Nolita 15. You can put that inside of there. And I have this Coach wallet. You can put that inside of there. And I have this Vaseline lotion. That can go inside of there. Then I have this wallet on a chain. That can go back here in the back. I'm just showing y'all because I wouldn't carry that many wallets. And then I have this wallet right here. You can put that in there also. And then once again, you can put your keys and stuff, you know, in there. So this bag holds, like, y'all, a ton. It holds a lot. So, and like I said, I have this little key thing on here. If you don't want to use that, you can do, I have the cherries. You can put the cherries on here if you would like. It'll hang slightly lower, but I think probably once you hold it up a little bit. But you can do that. You can use any kind of bag charm you want. You can have your little puff ball if you want your little puff ball on here. Y'all know I love me a good old puff ball. You can put that on there to the side. And then I also have the little cluster of flowers. You can also attach those to the side. And that looks cute, that little pink. But you can also attach that to the side. And I think that's all that I have as far as what you can probably fit in there. Oh, and y'all, I have these little tags that I had made. I was in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I went to their mall, and they had a Coach store, and they made these little tags for me, and they're just my initials or whatever. And you can get whatever you want to get on there. I just got my initials because, child, I couldn't even figure out what I wanted to put on there. But you can get these little tags made, and you can also put those on the side as well. You can, like, put those, you know, on there as well. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys that. And like I said, I do have this bag already in the quilted leather, and I love it. So I got this one. I really do like this one, and these bags hold a ton. They like hold a lot. So I may in the future get me another one. We'll just see how that goes. We shall see. Y'all know how I am. But as of right now, I think I've got my purse fixed for right now, because I need to quit buying as many bags, which I haven't been doing just a lot. But I've gotten rid of a lot of bags also. So take that off. Y'all, I'm having a hard time trying to take that off. But yeah, y'all, these are really nice bags. So if you have one of these bags, just let me know how you like it in the comments. And cause y'all, I watched so many videos on this particular color and stuff or whatever. I watched a lot of videos, and this is actually a pretty popular bag. I didn't realize that until I started seeing all the different videos popping up and stuff, and I was like, oh, everybody got this little bag. And like this one lady that I follow, she had this bag sitting in her background, and I was like, oh, she got the bag too. But yeah, y'all, this is so cute. And I actually saw this bag in person. I was out of town somewhere, and this I saw a young lady had this bag or whatever, and I was like, oh, that's cute. And so that's another reason why I wanted it, because it actually looked cuter in person. You know how sometimes stuff, it looks different in person. But yeah, this is a really nice bag, and I just want to show you guys what fit in there. Oh, and let me show y'all, I have the iPhone 11, so you can either do it this way or you can do it that way. So just so y'all know that that does fit back there in that back pocket. And like always, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And like always, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.